Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute Eat Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your YouTube watch history on your iPhone or Android. Whether you want to remove watched videos, shorts, podcasts, or your entire watch history, the process is quick and easy. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Next, tap the U tab in the bottom right corner. Now, tap History to open your watch history. From here, you can filter your history by selecting videos, shorts, podcasts, or music, depending on what you want to review or remove. If you want to delete your entire watch history, tap All. Next, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Clear All Watch History. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete your watch history. Tap Clear Watch History to confirm. Your YouTube watch history will now be deleted from your account, and your watched videos, shorts, podcasts, and other viewing activity will be removed from your history. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your YouTube watch history on your iPhone or Android. If this video helped you out, leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute Eat Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.